This etude is preparation for staccato practice with eighth note, mostly up bow, but also some down bow. Be sure to utilize your index finger because that is what's responsible for most of the staccato work. So that will make it or break it. Your index finger is responsible for, I would say, 90% of the job right there. Also, the hand needs to be a little bit stiff when you play in the staccato. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.